Hello friends, welcome back to our online course on refrigeration and air conditioning. In last few of the lectures we are discussing psychometric properties of the air. Let's get started with the remaining psychometric terms. In today's lecture we are going to discuss humidity or specific humidity or humidity ratio. It is nothing but the mass of water vapors present in 1 kilogram of dry air, and it is generally expressed in grams per kg. Actually, as it is ratio of same quantities, no any unit will be there, but generally it is expressed in grams per kilograms. Now how we can write a mathematically? I can write humidity or specific humidity or humidity ratio, it is usually denoted by letter omega, is equal to mass of water vapor present in 1 kg of dry air. Now see here, as already we know that general gas equation, that is PV is equal to mRT. Now if I need to write the value of m, how I can write PV upon RT. Let us say this as a equation number 1. Now here how we can write this equation for dry air. In order to calculate mass of dry air, I can write PA into V divided by RA into T. Similarly, for moist air or for wet air or the water vapors, I can write mV is equal to PV into capital V divided by RV into T. Now let us put this equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. Now what that equation number 1 will become? Omega is equal to mV, that is nothing but PV into V divided by RV into T divided by MA. What is MA? I can write here PAV into RAT. Let us check which things we can cancel. This V with this V, this T with this T we can cancel, and finally I will get omega is equal to PVRA divided by RVPA. Now how we can write this gas constant RA and RV, that is equal to RA is nothing but what? Universal gas constant divided by molecular weight of air, that is nothing but 29, and this RV, what I can write? Once again, universal gas constant divided by molecular weight of water vapors. Now let us give this equation as a equation number 4. Therefore, equation 4 will become, after putting these two values in this equation number 4, what I will get? Omega is equal to PV into, what is the value of RA? G upon 29 multiplied by 1 upon PA multiplied by what I will get? G upon 80. Now once again check which things we can cancel. I can cancel this G with this G, and finally what I will get? 18 upon 29 multiplied by PV upon PA. Let us simplify it. Let us solve this. What I will get? Omega is equal to omega or humidity is equal to 0.622 into PV upon PA. Now according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, how I can write this PA? That PA can be written as PT minus PV. Why? As PT is equal to PA plus PV. Means finally what I have got? Omega is equal to 0.622 into PV upon PT minus PV. This is nothing but the equation which denotes the value of humidity or specific humidity or humidity ratio. Thank you so much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.